Smartact Evo. Instruction for use with every single picture. Connection for the air compress. Curved body. Pedal, cable and handpiece. This is a fast connection for the source of the compressed air. The other end must be placed inside the pedal. Push. And to remove, I need to push down this gold color ring. The curved body is made of 5 components that must be sterilized. The handpiece cannot be sterilized but must be disinfected and covered with a sterile envelope. Insert the inertial system into the curved body. Screw hard. Then I use this large ring to fix onto the handpiece. I take the pin. Green is for the hard bone. Red is for the soft medium bone. I always open the pin with the 2 components first. They are already sterilized. I place the black knocker inside the curved body. Mind that it can fall out. And then I place the red knocker over the tip and a screw with this ring, strong. I select the power and I pick up the pin by pushing hard on the tip. I pull away the red case. No rotation, only traction. The pin is now on the tip. I find a stable position and then I use the pedal. I can give more shot. To take the next spin, I have to use the pedal once and take this part out. Now I can disassemble to make the sterilization.